What's up, TorqueWorks family? Welcome back to another episode. I just wanted to do a really quick video highlighting this 2021 Toyota Sienna minivan. Now, I don't give enough love to minivans. When I was a kid, the Dodge Caravan, or the Town and Country, if you will, if you were into Plymouth, that was king of the road, or queen of the road, if you will. And they were everywhere. Every family had one. It was the news station wagon, you know, and they're great. Don't get me wrong. But, you know, nowadays SUVs took over. They took over a long time ago, let's face it. Pickup trucks took over. So we don't really talk about these too much. But I wanted to give it some love because I actually like these. I really do. I just don't give them enough love, like I say, because it's a minivan. Take a quick look around it here. It's been redesigned for this year. As you can see, it's a little more new age. It's got some style, and depending on what trim you get, it is very sporty. This is the XLE. It goes all the way up to, I believe, platinum. I think it goes limited platinum. And they can get pretty pricey. But one cool thing, besides all this redesign and all the space and all the cool gadgets, these are now all hybrid. Yeah, you saw it. Some of you eagle-eyed folks may have seen it from the beginning of the video. Right here, you know, Toyota likes to hide stuff like this. In the emblem, you got the blue kind of outline. That kind of signifies, for Toyota at least, since the Prius, that's a hybrid model. So these are all hybrids, and they get great gas mileage compared to the outgoing 3.5 liter V6. Yeah, I'm right. 3.5 liter V6. Much better. Actually, I'll show you on the tag right here. So we're looking at 36 mpg. That's EPA rated. That's Toyota rating, okay? And you know they're kind of under a little bit. You know, they like to play things safe. So you can guarantee you're probably going to get this unless you hot rod this rig constantly. Let's look. This one, well equipped, 42,477. Okay, and that's with the destination and everything before tax, of course. But yeah, so the outgoing one, you're looking at 20, in the 20s, low 20s, depending on driving. I mean, you can put your foot under here and open the rear door. This thing is so cool, man. So cool. So I'm going to let you guys see the inside real quick. I'm going to stop talking about this thing and just show it to you. LED lights. If you can get over the stigma of a minivan, this thing is like luxury, small mini home or tiny house or whatever you want to call it on wheels. Leather. Well, this is softtex, sorry, now that I touch it. Look at this awesome interior, man. Look at this. Flip sideways. Nice armrest. So the person over here, when you need to get in this and access it, you know, like, oh, excuse me, lift your arm. You know, this is my car, get out of the way. No need. Hit the button. Get right in it. Cup holders. Faux wood grain. EV mode. What? EV mode? Are you kidding me? 8-speed automatic. Look at this huge center stack. Holy cow. Of course, you got your sunroof, leather everywhere. This big storage place down here. Throw your laptop, bag, throw it all down there. Wow. Digital display. Look, I'm kind of in awe. Plus the gas mileage. Dude, you can't beat this. Sound system. Let's get in the back. Oh, they're not gonna let me in the back? Come on. TorqueWorks, maybe if you unlock the door, that'll work. So these slide all the way forward. They fold down, they come out. This middle piece comes out. You don't have to keep it. It's kind of like a little jump seat. So you can get your 8 passengers. Look at that. All that space. Look back here. This is another reason I love minivans. You know, power gate, which I just messed up. Sorry about that. Now, as you can see, one of these is already done for us. But you can fold these up and out of the way, and they come down into this very, very deep, cavernous storage space. You can stand, like my huge luggage on wheels, you can stand those up in here and still have tons of room behind this to set stuff. You can even set that jump seat that's here in the middle, take it out, and it goes right here and has a tie down to be out of the way. And that will give you a nice open pass through for passengers. All these cup holders. The rear high vac, this is where it sucks air in from the back. And you can fold this back up. Boom, like that. Pull this, which is normally back here, and it comes right back where it needs to be. Ta-da. And this is the first time I've looked at this. Filming this is the first time I've looked at this brand new model. I've never messed with that, and that's how easy it is. I did not even read the instructions. Didn't even read the instructions. But look at all that space. I mean, I don't even know how to tell you. I have no ruler. I have nothing. Look, this is a front license plate thing. It's all the way in there, so it's at least a foot, if not larger, deep. Yeah, that's why I like minivans. Huge speakers. I guess they want you to have a full-on rock concert going on in this rig. Oh, there it goes. All right, cool. But yeah, that's the new Toyota Sienna XLE Hybrid. Parking sensors in the back and the front. I'll shut all these doors for you. And I don't know what they call this new color. Silver Sky Metallic is what they used to call it. Let's go look, find out. In case any of you guys are interested, really digging it, because I know I am. But I love this thing. Super cool. I would probably go with a more sporty one, like the XSE. Celestial silver. So sky, celestial. Yeah, we got it. It's silver. It's pretty. All right, Torque Works. What'd you guys think about the family wagon? Let me know down in the comments what you guys thought. And if you would, smash that like button. Help me out with the algorithm. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more to come. Check out all my old videos. See what you guys think. Maybe you'll learn something. All right, guys. Talk to you later, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.